My guys just picked up the Regera. Miller messed up the alignment and the brake pads, but I decided I won't bill her.
How generous.
I know, right? Listen, we gotta meet.
What, now?
Yes, now. Meet me downtown, my place, Elysium Casino. Round the back.
This is the voice of the streets. Fortune Valley has new players on the scene. Udo and La Catrina were both badly beaten on their own turf. Rumor speaks of two races. Are they working together? Who are these mysterious races? Your curator can only speculate.
Aces! Sounds like our little crew's getting noticed.
You know that means the house is gonna notice us too.
Good. Gamber says he got the car.
Good. You better have a hell of a team if you hopes to make sense of that tech.
Couldn't crack it yourself?
No. The ECU is custom built and uses tamper-proof hardware encryption. Haven't seen anything like it since my Singapore days.
What the hell is the house doing with that kind of tech?
No idea. But keep your eyes peeled.
Tyler, I need you to settle an argument between Jess and me. What's best for downtown racing? European sports compact or American muscle?
In terms of sheer power, American muscle. No contest.
See, Jess? That's what I said.
Muscle cars attract too much attention. European compacts blend in better but can still dish out the acceleration.
Well, Mac, Jess is not wrong.
What's the point of having a car that blends in?
Hey, I was gonna
Tyler, good job with the convoy, by the way. Do you know how hard it is to impress me? It's impossible. I'm so impressed. I'm goddamn inspired. I put down good money on you. Says your crew can own the city's drift and drag races. There's Shiplock for drift and Riot Club for drag. Beat their bosses, get one step closer to entering the rush. Think you kids can do that for me? Oh, and tell your friend Jessica Miller, guy I know got a job for her. VIP pickup and drop off. I'll send the details over. Sound good?
Well, it's not...
Attaboy! Good talk.
All right, guys, time to tackle Riot Club and Shift Lock, which means I'm in the market for a drag car.
Let me know once you get yourself one and we'll shake it down. How about you, Mac?
I'll buy and set up my own drift ride. Thanks. Time to throw some skids again.
Oh, and Jess? The gambler's got a job contact for you. You should already have the info.
He does? Interesting.
Godspeed, racers. You're listening to the Curator. The desert winds are blowing in some hot rumors today. A young racer called Ty is kicking up a dust storm, grinding some of the old school leagues into the asphalt. Who is this kid? I mean, is he single or what? Rumor has it Ty might even have what it takes for the Outlaws' rush. But there are miles and miles ahead of him. Ty.
Let's go. Who the hell are you?
I'm your ride. Name's Miller.
Ramirez.
Nice to meet you, Ramirez. Now that that's out of the way.
Think you can lose those cops for me?
I got paid for a pickup and drop-off. Cop chase wasn't part of the deal.
I'm sure we can settle this. Just drive.
Control subject has entered an unidentified vehicle fleeing the scene at high speed. Code 3.
Copy, Adam 35. Be advised, the subject is 440 and considered dangerous. Be advised, we're setting up roadblocks to contain the subject vehicle.
So we're clear, for pursuit my fees triple.
What? I can do double.
I'll just pull over here.
Wait, okay, triple. Just keep driving.
Subject just blew through the barricades.
Copy.
You're gonna try to slow them down, Control. Now heading westbound, approaching the barrio.
Copy, 1 out of 13. All units be...
Nothing like the thrill of a chase, huh?
You're enjoying this?
Aren't you?
I thought you were a professional.
You want to drive? No? Didn't think so.
Head eastbound approaching Boomville. Copy. Subject vehicle going eastbound approaching Boomville.
L30, aborting pursuit. My units are mobilized.
All right.
I'm gonna try to slow them down here.
What are you doing?
Subject is coming to a stop.
All units. We're repairing roadblocks. Be advised, the travel will be limited. Copy.
Hope they got an airbag. I don't know what she sees in you. You're a thrill junkie.
Don't know who she is.
For real?
I'm getting paid, that's all that matters here.
1 out of 13, our vehicle is wrecked.
Ah!
Primary.
Our tax money at work.
Copy that. Adam 35, what is your location of travel now?
Now heading northbound through Liberty Desert.
Copy, 1 Adam 35.
They're gone. Oh, thank God. Can you drive me to the safe house? Or is that also extra?
I'll throw that one in for free.
How long have you been doing this?
Since my 19th birthday.
Hell of a birthday.
Don't I know it? What do those cops want with you anyway?
The house blew my cover. Sold me out.
You were undercover inside the house?
You really ought to talk to my boss. How'd a girl like you become a runner anyway?
Took a police cruiser for a joyride the day I turned 19.
Oh, is that all?
Ended up with 20 cop cars on my tail. Hell of a way to wash out of the academy.
You were police?
Yeah, my rebellious phase.
No wonder you're nuts.
Says the guy who double-crossed the house.
That's totally different.
And that's your stop.
Good. That was fun.
Ramirez has a lot to say about you. Not all of it bad.
So you're my mysterious benefactor.
I have a chance for you to prove yourself. Interested?
I figured Marcus Weir had a good reason for putting us in touch.
We'll see. Sending you the info.
Let's get it!
You got the wrong car, miss.
No, I don't, Jessica Miller. And step on it. We're on the clock here.
Aren't we always?
Don't take a direct route. We've got to throw them off the scent.
You got it.
Keep it up, girl!
Why are we in a rush? What's the threat?
My girlfriends all think I'm powdering my nose in the bathroom, but I snuck out with one of their lieutenant's cell phones.
The house again. They're everywhere these days.
Something big's coming. Everyone's been on edge since that convoy got hijacked. Hey, babe. How's you, gorgeous? Uh-huh. I'll be there in a moment. TTYL BFF.
Who was that? Friend of yours?
God, no. I can't stand that bimbo. One good thing about blowing this cover. We're making good time, Miller. Keep that hammer down.
You said something big was coming. What did you mean?
The races are just one side of the business. The house has something bigger in mind.
You mean the casinos?
Among many other things. You're fast. Can I call you the next time I need a ride to the airport?
No.
You've done good, Miller. You on fleek, Miller.
Ugh. There you go.
Rock on, bae.
So, guess that convoy job you did for Weir wasn't a fluke. I'll have another job for you soon, Miller. Expect me.
Hey, Jess, how goes the job?
I'm knee-deep in cloak and dagger crap. I wish I knew what it was all about.
Wow, really? Cool.
Maybe you should pull out. Sounds dangerous.
Nah, beats driving bank robbers around. I'm sticking with it. Besides, the money's great. That sunset man makes all the house BS worth it.
Miller, I need you on courier assignment today. Got a few things I need you to pick up for me. Check your GPS.
I better not be picking up your groceries. That's a lot of stops. What do I hit first?
Doesn't matter to me. Just be quick about it.
You got something for me? rest of the stops. What's this? Some sort of audio recording? Let's see what's on it.
You made bank on last night's race. You should calm down the people who got nervous at the Tyler Morgan messy bus.
Good. About time we expanded then. What do the other leads say?
It's Lena Navarro.
Hazard Company and 1% Club are listening. But Silver Six won't agree to meet.
Torch their boss's car. They'll come around.
Navarro is fixing more and more races, and she's expanding outside the city too. Nice weather today, huh? Next up.
I didn't do nothing, officer! Shut up! Hey! What the hell do you think you're doing? The house wants us to turn up the heat on Silver Six. If you're not happy, you're damn right I'm not happy. To hell with this. I'm going back to Rockport.
Navarro has cops on her payroll? That's not good. Just hand it over already. On to the next stop.
Sorry, sir. The boss is not seeing anybody. Cut the crap, all right? The collector's expecting me.
Is that Ramirez?
Plans have changed. He's with someone important. Someone? Who? A VIP from overseas. Sorry, that's all I know.
You guys don't talk very much, do you? There. That's the last one.
Miller, did you get the recordings?
I did.
Good. Meet me ASAP.
Gotta listen to that last recording before I hand it in.
You sure it was him? I watched his garage burn. I thought he was smart enough to get the message.
I'm positive. Morgan beat that graveyard shift chick one-on-one. His friend McAllister's making a name for himself, too.
McAllister's back on the scene? God damn it. Morgan's putting together a crew for the rush. I know it.
What do we do?
I'll let you know.
I should keep this one for when the boys need cheering up. Hello, Ramirez. Here are the recordings.
How many cop cars did you have to take out to get those?
None. It's terribly disappointing.
See you around, Miller.
Miller.
Nice work on the courier job. Ready for more work?
Not until you answer some questions.
Only question that matters is, do you want to bring down the house? One more job. Then we meet. Sending you the info.
the world go round.
Mag, god damn it.
Mac, I swear, I'll repaint your truck bubblegum pink for this.
You guys have just been gas rolled.
Take me to... Oh no, we're doing this again?
Can't stay away, can you? Where are we headed?
The Rift VIP terminal, and...
I know, step on it. Expecting trouble?
She called you.
That's a lot of cars. Who'd you piss off this time?
I was looking into the origins of that car your crew hijacked. From the looks of it, I hit a major nerve.
Out of here. Good luck with those repairs.
It's Ramirez. I'm on my way to the airport.
Good. November will greet you in the air. She's got your passports and flight plans. Miller, Ramirez's life is in your hands. Don't disappoint.
Yeah! Where are you headed?
No idea. I get a random flight at the airport.
Here's hoping you're headed somewhere warm.
With my luck, I'll end up in Sweden.
Beat it! We're close. Get ready for it.
I'm ready.
See ya!
Hey, Miller. Next time in town, how about a drink?
Don't finish that sentence. Great, first house thugs, now cops too. My day just keeps getting better.
1 Lincoln 30, I'm in pursuit of an Audi S5. Subject is heading westbound through the left lane.
All units, 1 Lincoln 30 is in pursuit of an Audi S5. Subject is traveling westbound through the runway.
Put it on my tab!
1 Lincoln 30, what is your location of travel now?
Now heading northbound on Dawson Drive.
Copy, now northbound on Dawson Drive.
Subject is now going westbound on Lakeside Drive.
Copy, subject heading westbound on Lakeside Drive.
835, our vehicle's down, requesting record.
Copy. Be advised, heavy barriers are now in place. Travel will be limited.
Hey, calm down!
Now heading northbound, approaching the barrio.
Copied. Code 3 subject is northbound approaching the barrio.
We're on him. We're on him.
1 out of 13. Have you apprehended the subject?
Subject is still running control. They got free. Subject now westbound on Soledad Drive.
Copy. Subject vehicle going westbound on Soledad Drive. All units be advised there are spikes deployed ahead.
Affirmative.
Subject vehicle now northbound on Carson Street. Copy, 1 out of 6.
We're on him.
Out of 13 is the subject secured.
We couldn't contain him. Control still in pursuit.
Give me your best shot!
Lincoln 30, I've wrecked. Need to assign a new primary. Subject is northbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
Copy. Code 3 subject is northbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
didn't answer me about that drink.
You're right. I didn't.
Listen, the tech in that Koenig sector crew took, it belonged to a defense contractor out of East Asia. This is bigger than Fortune Valley. Be careful.
I'm not the type to stay away from trouble. I like getting out of it a little too much.
I know. Do your thing, Miller.
Now heading westbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway. Control, they're trying to take me out. Now heading westbound through West Silver Rock Tunnel.
Copy 1 Lincoln 30.
Cops still don't have you in handcuffs. I'm impressed.
How about you tell me that in person?
Yes, it's time.
Ramirez blew his cover so he could get you on a list. Now it's time we made use of it.
Hang on, I don't even know your name.
Call me the broker.
Not much to go by.
Do one more job for me. Then you decide if you trust me. If you make it out alive.
There's a disguise in your glove compartment. Put it on before you reach the location.
There's no way they won't see through this. Come on.
Ramirez set you up with a bulletproof identity. People don't see what they're not looking for, Miller. Trust me.
You the new driver? Where are you?
I'm almost there.
Look, whatever you do, stay quiet and don't do anything reckless. Got it?
Reckless? Who, me?
Navarro.
Yeah. Car just got here. Hey, I don't have time to waste. Step on it.
Which one you want to hit first?
I don't care. Just drive. Have we met before?
Nah, I'd remember you.
Can you keep your mouth shut? Good. Desert contact. She'll know what it means. Next stop. Let's go. They've all been paid off. How about you?
The guy's taken care of. We're good to go.
Good. Get it done.
Will do.
Got you an early Christmas bonus, officer. Make sure it gets to your boss. Done. Next. Officer Donut Hole got his payoff. They still haven't caught Morgan and his crew, though.
They'll get him.
No, they won't. Not without help. How are we on the Skyhammer?
It's on its way.
This better be all of it. You still owe me for last time. One stop left. Hit it. Navarro.
Where are we on Morgan?
You focus on the casinos. I'll handle the streets.
I'll focus on what I need to focus on. Don't presume to give me orders.
Of course. Apologies, sir. Give the order. Skyhammer is go. That's all of them. And hey, nice time. All right, one last destination, then you're off the hook. Hey, that driver, where'd you say you found her?
Not sure. Why?
Do I know her? She a street racer?
Don't think so. Strictly professional.
Well, she's fast and quiet. That's a rare combo.
That she is.
Keep her on the list. Nice driving. See you again.
Oh, yes, you will.
Racer, if you're looking for a challenge, keep your eyes peeled from my recommended events.
Navarro's up to something.
In the gambler's paradise of Fortune
I don't know what it
Valley,
is, but the cops are in on it. And she mentioned something called Skyhammer.
Just how many strings is that woman pulling?
Doesn't matter. She can't stop us. How did you find that out anyway?
Drove her around town while she bribed all her lackeys. You know, girl stuff.
You what now?
Just keep your eyes open, all right? We'll talk later.
getting that west side sunrise. Good time for a donut. Maybe I'll get breakfast too.
Where will you be when the revolution comes? We are the last stand against corporate tyranny. We are the drifting freedom fighters of the misinformation age. We are Shift Lock. Good news, recruit. You've been accepted to a Shift Lock test. Show me you can drift and we'll talk.
You're that drifting anarchist hacker. What's your name again?
I am everyone. I am no one. I am the underground soldier.
Let's go! Here it goes. Not too shabby. Keep the focus, Mac. You're killing it. I'ma keep going. City, baby. Ain't no one like me.
Those were some decent angles, Recruit McAllister.
Just call me Mac, okay?
So be it, Mac. Hashtag vouchers for you. You get one shot.
Guess he does more than tiger selfies after all.
Come show what you got in Ember Valley. See if you have the heart of a soldier in you.